Need someone else to do your laundry? Let's talk about Laundryheap and whether this app is actually worth your money. Laundryheap is an on-demand laundry service that picks up your dirty clothes and brings them back clean in 24 hours. You book everything through their app. They offer regular washing, ironing, dry cleaning, and even big items like duvets. The service works in major cities across the US, UK, and several other countries. The idea is simple. You never have to visit a laundromat again. Here's what you get. First, free pickup and delivery within 24 hours. You schedule a time, they grab your laundry, clean it, and bring it back. Second, they offer four main services: wash and fold, wash and iron, dry cleaning, and specialty items. Third, tracking is included. You can see when your driver is close, just like ordering food. Fourth, the app is easy to use for booking and payments. Now, for pricing. In the US, wash and fold costs around $2.65 per pound with a $35 minimum order. There's also a service fee starting at $5.95. In the UK, pricing starts at about £18 for 6 kilos. Dry cleaning is priced per item, so starting at around $4. The good stuff is that it's super convenient. The app works well, and most people say pickup and delivery times are reliable. Drivers are usually friendly, quality is decent for everyday laundry, and the bad is that pricing can be confusing. Hidden fees pop up like service charges and tips. Some users report clothes coming back damp or not fully clean. So, is Laundryheap worth it? If you're super busy and hate doing laundry, yes, the convenience is real. But if you're watching your budget, this will add up fast. A single load can easily cost $30 to $50. The service works, but the price and occasional quality issues mean it's best for people who value time over money. Bottom line, Laundryheap is convenient but pricey. Great for busy professionals, not great for your wallet. Try the first order and see if the cost is worth skipping laundry day. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.